Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Jaytee, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to learn another song to play on the ukulele, and it's gonna be Ako Naman Muna by HRICANE. So a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach this song since nag-viral din itong kantang to sa TikTok, and I also love the message of the song. It is all about self-love and self-worth na pwede ka pang bumangon kahit sa tingin mong wala ka ng pag-asa. So this song is kind of giving us hope despite of the negativities that surrounds us today. So before we start our tutorial, mag-shoutout muna tayo. So, shout out kay na Cindy Robilios, Irvin Daniel Roque, Myril Christine, Christian Guyab, Hayden Rose Benliro, Wendeline Malapitan, Rainier Maligsa, Aliyah Veronica Motos, Julian Isha Erum, and lastly, shout out kay Regina Rizel Santos. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. So, for today's tutorial, I'll be using my HRICANE Slim ukulele in the tenor size. And this ukulele is also a solid walnut ukulele. So, ayan, sobrang nipis ng body niya, and it also has a what do you call this one? The archback design of the ukulele. So if you're interested with this instrument, I will leave the product link and the product description on the description box below. Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaanod at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo, sa kung ano lamang kaya ko. So in order to play the original key of the song, you will need a ukulele capo, and it looks like this one, and you will clip it here on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. But again, as mentioned on my previous videos, if you don't have a ukulele capo, still you can play this song or any other songs that uses a ukulele capo, but the pitch or the key of the song will be lowered down, okay? And in order to play this song, you will also need to learn 4 basic chords. So these chords are C, A minor, F, and G. So chord of C looks like this one, and so you will need to put your index finger or your middle finger here on the 1st string 3rd fret, okay? And the next chord is the chord of A minor, so ilalagay mo lang itong index finger mo dito sa 4th string dito sa 2nd fret, okay? And it sounds like this one. Ayan. And we also need to learn the chord of F. So, index finger dito sa 2nd string 1st fret, and then your middle finger will be placed here on the 4th string 2nd fret. Ayan. Okay, so this is the chord of F. And lastly, we have the chord of G. So, this is like a V-shaped chord. And so, index finger dito, middle, and 4th. Okay, so again, we have C, A minor, F, and G. So for the first part of this tutorial, which is the finger plucking style, yung finger plucking pattern natin ay maging ganito. Okay, yung first chord natin is the chord of C. And yung ginagawa ko lang is, so yung itsura ng kamay ko, parang nakaganito. Okay, C shape. And alternate lang. So we have here string number 4, string number 3, 2, and 1. So yung pinapluck ko lang is string number 3 and si string number 1. Okay, again. Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaanod. Ayan. And then sa word na inaanod, transfer ka na to the next chord, which is the chord of A minor. Now for A minor, di ba nilalagay natin yung daliri natin dito sa 4th string ng 2nd fret, okay? Pero since we're only plucking the 3 and 1 string, meaning hindi natin magagalaw tong string na to. So yung gagawin ko lang is walang daliri dito, okay? So pinapluck ko lang si 3 and 1. Okay, so from the chord of C, then transfer. So, open. Bali, open string. And then, the next chord is the chord of F. Now, di ba sa F, ito yung ginagawa natin dito. Index finger dyan, and middle finger dito sa 4th string 2nd fret. Okay. So, sa finger plucking natin, yung gagawin lang natin is ilalagay natin itong index finger na to dito. Yan. And we're going to pluck the 2 and 1 string. So, kanina, 3 and 1. Eto, pag F yung pinapluck natin, 2 and 1. Okay? So, from the top. Tapos, open. Tapos, F. Ayan. And then, balik ka na naman sa C. Okay. So, that is for the verse of the song. And, applicable din siya sa pre-chorus. Pero, whenever meron tayong G dito sa kantang to, pag finger plucking yung ginagamit natin, we're going to put our index finger here and your middle finger here. And since hindi natin to gagalawin tong string na to, diba ganito naman yung itsura ng G. But since hindi natin gagalawin ito kasi we're going to pluck only the 3 and 1 string, so we can just lift this up. And etong dalawa na lang ang ilalagay natin. Okay. Now, from the top. Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para kong inaanod at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Bigang-biga na sa mga problemang di masolusyonan agad, parang wala nang bukas. Pwede bang umiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanin sa ligaw na dinadaanan ko. Saan na to patungo? Saan ako patungo? Dahan-dahan natin simulan muli ang paghakbang. Dahan-dahan tumingin sa salamin upang makita ang ating kagandahan. Dahan-dahan iangat ang mukha upang masilayan payapang kalangitan. O pagod ka na, pero di ka nag-iisa, kaya tumaban ka at sabihin ko naman muna. Now for the next part of this tutorial, which is the strumming part, we're going to have the strumming pattern na down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then you're going to repeat that twice in every chord. Now, it should sound like this one. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then again, you're going to do that twice in every chord. So down, up, 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 down, up. And then transfer chord. Down, up, 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 down, up. And then transfer ulit. Down, up, 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 down. Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaanod at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo tutorial today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below the titles of the songs that you want me to teach on this channel. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell beside it so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!